Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the derivative of the integral. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. First, we need to find first the derivative of x to the power of 3. So you got about 3x to the power of 2 multiply with, we input this number in this function in here. So that's about x to the power of 3 to the power of 4. 4 multiplied with 3, you got about x to the power of 12. Next, because this is in the bottom, so we have the negative in here. First, the derivative of cotangx x, you got about negative 1 over sine x squared. Later that, we put cotangx x into t. So we have negative, negative, we got about positive. That's the end. Thank you for watching.